Okay, we have a question here. If the first and second digits in the sequence are interchanged, also the third and fourth digits, the fifth and sixth digits, and so on, which digit would be seventh counting to your left? Okay, so what we have here, first and second digits are interchanged. Okay, then third and fourth are interchanged, fifth and sixth are interchanged, and then there's a question. Okay, so basically this two will be interchanged, these two will be interchanged, these two, so each two pair are interchanged. Now our question is, which digit would be the seventh counting to your left? Now to your left is a bit confusing. Okay, if it is from left, you start counting from left. If you say from right, you start counting from right. Now again, from left is you start counting from to your left means from your right. Okay, so seventh digit will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there is a 1 here, but 1 is supposed to be exchanged by 8, so the answer will be 8. Okay, if the position of the first and sixth digits of the sequence of numbers are interchanged, the second and the seventh, and so on, which number would be seventh from the right hand? Okay, so if the position of first and sixth, so let's write the position here, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 numbers we have. First and sixth is changed, then second and seventh is changed. Okay, so what we have here is first and sixth, second and seventh, third and eighth, fourth and ninth, fifth and 10th. Okay, now the question is, which number would be seventh from the right end? From the right end we are supposed to find 7 from right end. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This will be the number, but this is exchanged by 9, so the answer will be 9. So basically 9th is the position, and the position 9th is occupied by the number 7. So at the place of 3 it will be 7, and at the place of 7 it will be 3. Hence our answer is 7. Okay, we have another one. The letters L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T in their order are substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9, but not in that order. 4 is assigned to P. Difference between P and T is 5. The difference between N and T is 3. What is the integer assigned to N? Okay, let's go step by step. Letters L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T in their order. So this is in order. Okay, let's write L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Substituted by 9 integers, but not in that order. Let's find out the order later. 4 is assigned to P. We have 4 here. Difference between P and T is 5. So P minus T is equal to 5. It can be T minus P is equal to 5 as well. Hence the absolute value. Difference between N and T is 3. Okay, N and T is 3. So we have one equation this and one equation this. What is the integer assigned to N? Now see, difference between P and T is 5 and P is 4. There can only be one T, which is 9, because if P is greater, the T should be minus 1, which is not possible because only integers 1 to 9 are assigned. Hence we have T as 9. Here T is 9. This gives me 9 minus N equals 3. That gives me n equals to 6. Okay, we have another one. 36 vehicles are parked in the parking lot in a single row. After the first car, there is one scooter. After the second car, there are 2 scooters. After the third car, there are 3 scooters, and so on. Work out the number of scooters in the second half of the row. So, how many scooters we have? 36. No, 36 vehicles are there. First car, 1 scooter. Second car, 2 scooters. So, if I say 1 car, 1 scooter. Second car, 2 scooters. No, oh. Third car, 3 scooters, and so on. Okay, let's say fourth car, 4 scooters. Let's add these. How many? Okay, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Will be 6, and so on. Okay, now let's add the cumulative number, because what we want is work out the number of scooters in the second half. So whenever there are 36, okay, so half will be 18. Whenever the left side is done 18, then we can start counting the number of scooters. Okay, so here it's 2, 5, 9, 14, and let's say here is 1 car, 5 scooters, so 4 and 2. Here it is done with the first half, so 2 scooters will be counted in the second half. Okay, then we have 6th, then there will be your 6 scooters, which will be 7, and 14 plus 6, it was 20 here, 20 plus 7, it is 27 here, and we have 1 car here, makes it 28, 7 scooters, which makes it 35, and then 1 car. That's it, because this gives me 36. Now if you count the number of scooters here, 2 plus 6 plus 7, which is equal to 15. Here the trick is not to miss and get confused when you are adding scooters and cars. Okay, we have done nothing but we have just written whatever they have written in the statement. First we give 1 car, then we give 1 scooter, second car 2 scooters, third car 3 scooters. What do we have here? Total number of cars and scooters in the first column, second column, and all, and how many cumulative cars and scooters are done, so that we can find the left half, so that we can count scooters in the right half. Okay, in the following sequence of instructions, 1 stands for run, 2 stands for stop, 3 stands for go, 4 stands for sit, and 5 stands for wait. So this is something that the numbers have been given designation as words, which we can ignore for now, because first we have to find what comes at the end, because that's what is required for us. Okay, if you see at the sequence, lot of things will run into your mind, that what is the pattern here. Okay, pattern recognition is something that you have to find out here. A bit difficult, not so difficult though. Let's say 4 is coming first, then it's coming again, then it's coming after 1, then it's coming after 2 times, then it's coming after 3 times, you know. So this gives me a pattern to see that there is a 4 here, 45, 453, 4531, 45312. You see, first few numbers are getting repeated again and again. Okay, if you see next one, it's again 45, 453, and what we have here is 4531. which is again repeating as this sequence. Hence our answer is 1. But options are given as 1, which stands for run. So our answer is run.